What's up, everybody? Check this out. Today we're not doing a prop talk, and we're not doing any lessons or anything because I did an upgrade to the shop. I had to. I don't know if you've seen pictures, but there was a closet that I used as my little paint booth, and it's just too small. I outgrew it. I'm working on I like to work on like 6 or 7 things at once. So I needed a bigger space, and now I have it. So check it out. All right, here it is. This is my new work area. Nice. So yeah, I just chose this whole one wall, and this is my prep and production area. This is where I can just make a mess, a dirty area. Area up here. I still want to put some posters up there and some cool stuff, but this is the paint side. Paint side's cool. I got my nice enough room where I can have several things out at once to be painted, and I got my paint booth there. I just have my little air compressor down there. And speaking of down there, I'm super organized. I still have to put these in the proper order and kind of go through them, but I love that kind of thing where everything's right there where you need it. But yeah, that's where we're at. So hope you dig it, and you'll be seeing a lot of this real soon.